Ayo, I'm Guy, and as you already know, I handle logisticals and security for Refashionista Sheri. And today I'm doing the troll time, and yeah, today we've actually got a bit of a record, I think. Today we got 4 trolls, and I think they may all be guys. I'm not sure, but of course I'm the original guy, right? I'm the best guy. Anyway. So you guys know that Sheri actually won a game show. She was the Gen X winner of Battle of the Generations, episode 12. If you missed it, we'll of course be linking everything down below, so you can go check out her recap. It's fun. It's loads of fun. Anyway, so every single one of these comments is from someone who apparently didn't like Sheri winning. It's pretty ridiculous here. So let's have a look. The first comment, this one was from YouTube, and was under the video that was announcing the contestants that Sheri shared, you know, because she was proud to be this on a game show. And this character's name is Cheese Ghosts. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, a cheese ghost, that's a fart. So I'm guessing this guy's username is fart. I don't know. Anyway, so Cheese Ghosts says, Lily is so out of touch with her community. Now remember, this was just simply a video that was announcing the contestants of Sheri's episodes. What the hell? Like what? And also, Lily is spelled wrong. So fat, I'm sorry, Cheese Ghosts. I don't know what you're talking about here. Lily belongs to several communities, just like Sheri does, you know. We got so many things wrong with this comment. What community are you talking about exactly? I don't understand. And why would you comment that on Refashionista Sheri's video? Like, it doesn't make any sense whatsoever. If you don't like a celebrity, fine, don't like a celebrity. Nobody cares but you, though. And to go and put those kind of comments under just a random person's video doesn't make any sense. Do you dislike Refashionista Sheri? You don't even know who the hell she is. I can guarantee you that. So why comment that on her video? Doesn't make sense. If you're so, you know, bunged up with your cheese ghost farts, then I suggest, you know, release. And maybe you'll feel better after that. Okay, next one. This one is from Big A753. So Big AA753. And they say, cringe. Cringe. That's all. That's all that is. And again, what is cringy about being on a game show? I don't understand. It is not at all a bad thing. It is something to be proud of that, you know, Sheri had to go through a lot to get on this game show, and she actually had to have a brain in her head too. And then, you know, she actually won. She friggin' won. So how is that cringe? I would like to know. And again, why do you gotta write that? Just to be an asshole. That's the only friggin' reason to ever do something like that, is because you feel crap in yourself and you gotta throw your toxicity out to a stranger online. Why not write congrats? It starts with a C. It would work, right? Anyway, think they're a bit of a, you know, see you next Tuesday. Anyway, there's another C word for ya. See you next Tuesday. Okay, and got another one here, and this one's from Mike Thompson, 9253. I don't know, why do people always have numbers, by the way? And I don't get it. Don't put numbers, and if there's automatically numbers added, then change your username to something that doesn't have numbers. Anyway, and this is a good one. This is a good one. So Mike Thompson writes 9 times, no, never. So Mike Thompson, why would you write that? What's the point? What is the friggin' point of writing that? Why can't Sheri just be proud to be on this show? I don't understand. Or is this a case of maybe you auditioned to be on the show and you didn't make it? That could be possible too, right? That could be possible too. A little bit of jealousy going on there. that Refashionista Sheri made it, and maybe you didn't. Well, Mikey Thompson there got in a little bit of a strop and decided to write no 9 times. 9 times. What a waste of your life. What a waste of your life. Anyway, and the last one. The last one here, this guy actually thought it would be clever to write directly to Sheri and respond to her comment on the Battle of the Generations Facebook page when they announced her win. And Sheri wrote very nicely, "Proud to be the first Gen X winner. Yay me." And of course with a smiley. Of course she did. And then this guy, who absolutely this is not his name. He does not have his actual face in a profile picture, because of course not. Of course not. This is the Legionnaire. Really? The Legionnaire? Anyway. And he felt the need to write, "On the dumbest show on TV." All right, Mr. Legionnaire, I got a question for you. If it's such a dumb show, why are you watching it? And then going on Facebook, finding that show's Facebook page and commenting on almost every post, because this guy is a prolific commenter on the Battle of the Generations Facebook page. He didn't just respond to Sheri, he responds to a lot. But because he did directly respond to her, she got a notification. And so what's she gonna do? She's gonna pass it to me, and I'm gonna do a troll time about it. So riddle me this, Legionnaire. Why is it, if it is the worst show on television, as you claim, that you not only watch the show, but you take the time to find the social media, and then you take even more time out of your oh-so-busy schedule? I'm sure you are a very important person in reality, right? But you're taking all this time to read the posts, watch all the posts, and then comment on them. Why? If it's so dumb, if it's so not worth it to you, why are you putting in all the work? It doesn't make sense, does it? Or am I totally missing the logic here? That when you don't like something, you don't avoid it and just forget about it, because who cares? It's a friggin' game show. Who cares in the great scheme of life, right? No. You take all this time to research it, to watch every clip you can, to look at all the social media and comment. Like what? Make it make sense, please, Legionnaire, if you can. But I don't think you can. Because, again, you're hiding behind a profile picture that clearly isn't you. And you're also hiding behind a name that's clearly not yours. So, I don't know. Again, I don't know what to say. I don't know why people just can't live and let live. It doesn't make sense to me. And I really don't understand why, when someone is proud of an accomplishment, that not a lot of people, win a game show in their lifetime. But Sheri's proud of that, and these less than stellar gentlemen feel the need then to rip that out. But you know what? You didn't, because she's still pretty darn proud. I don't understand. This isn't anything that takes away from the fact that she got in a game show and she actually friggin' won, right? So, boo-hoo to you, I guess. Anyways, I really hope that the troll times are making you guys think a little bit about what goes on behind the scenes. And again, these are all the really tame ones, but Sheri does have to deal with some really awful ones too. And yeah, so I just hope you guys are kind of thinking that maybe working online isn't the most easy thing to do in the world. Not just having to come up with the ideas and create everything and edit and do all the stuff she does as a one-woman show, but then you got to deal with this too, And I don't agree when people say, like, well, you put it online, so that's expected. No, it shouldn't be expected that you have to deal with abuse from strangers. It's the same thing. If you're working in retail, you shouldn't have to deal with abuse from strangers. If you're working in a restaurant, you shouldn't have to deal with abuse from strangers. You just shouldn't have to deal with abuse, period. But, of course, from strangers, come on. Stop it. Just stop. Anyway, yeah, I hope you got a little bit of enjoyment out of this troll time. And until next time, Refashionista Sheri and I, we will what was it? Stay safe, stay well, and we'll catch you on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.